Make money on YouTube without making videos. All you need to do is download other people's videos using a dodgy site or an app, then re-upload them and make money. It's easy as 1, 2, 3. Wrong, don't do this unless you want to lose your channel before it's even started. Instead, keep watching this video. I'm going to show you the right way to make money on YouTube without making videos. Sounds easier than falling off a log, doesn't it? Well, hold your horses, my friend. There's a few things that you need to consider, and I'm going to lay them all out for you so you don't get stuck. If you're new to my channel, then I'm John Davis. I help content creators maximize their impact by simplifying tech and proven strategies. But this video is about you, not me, so let's get straight into it. So first of all, let's discuss why we don't want to make videos. Look, between me and you, there are tons of reasons why people don't want to make their own videos on YouTube. From fear, shyness, age, tech worries, religion, or even rules around their employment. I've heard it all. The good news is that it's okay. YouTube allows content creators from all over the world to build an audience and make money. And you can do this in many different ways. If you can summon up the courage to be on video yourself, I would highly recommend it. But I know for some of you, even the power of Grayskull wouldn't be enough to push past that. So here's what you need to do, step by step. First of all, choose your niche. This is the topic of your channel. So, for example, my channel is about digital marketing and content creation. This channel is about tech. This one is about cars. This channel is about cooking. Some of these show their face and some don't. Now that doesn't matter at the moment. The main thing is, what do you want to talk about? What do you want to share with the world? So unless you're hugely entertaining and people line up around the block to hear your jokes and witty repertoire, then popular niches are often the ones where people have got the most problems and pain points. Because more people are seeking answers. So think about health, finance, relationships, and all of the thousands of sub-niches that are within them. Go look on YouTube and see who else is creating content that aligns with your passion or knowledge. But remember, you don't have to be an expert. After all, look at me. I'm telling you how to be a YouTube superstar. Next, we want to plan and script your videos. Now, you've decided on your niche. You should have a better idea of what people want to watch. But if not, go grab a pen and paper and try these 3 techniques. Go and download TubeBuddy Chrome extension. It's free and really useful for us content creators as it gives us lots of geeky stats on what people are searching for and how competitive these search terms are. Now literally brain dump anything and everything that you can think of in these and compile a list of videos. The higher the number, the better suited it is for a new channel. You'll find that the longer the search term, the better as well because there's less competition. For example, I've got absolutely no chance of ranking for make money online. But I do have a chance with make money on YouTube, creating videos that don't show your face, or use your voice, or care that you're over 40 and feel broken. Look at other people in your niche and sort their videos by popularity. This tells you what people are looking for and like and should generate ideas in that creative mind of yours. Now, do you remember your alphabet? Type in some keywords and then keep changing the letters all the way through the alphabet. Like this. Make money on YouTube is a good key phrase. Then type in A and take note of the suggestions as this means that people are searching for these and YouTube is trying to make the whole experience faster. You got to remember, YouTube is the second largest search engine on the internet. Then type B and C and D and so on. Once you have your video topics, you then need to write a script. If you're doing the voiceover yourself, then you can keep it to bullet points if you prefer and just ad lib. But think about what people need to hear. Try and keep it fairly to the point and put some structure to it, like a start, middle and end. Or you can break your content down into a list. Your script is all about research and understanding your audience. This is something a lot of YouTubers underestimate, which seems a good time to interrupt this video for a quick reality check. Starting a YouTube channel is one of the best decisions that I've ever made. I get to be creative, learn new things, help people, and also make money. But make no mistake, it is not easy. Each video takes time. I literally typed this script over a few hours while my wife did the decorating all by herself. So if you want easy, then stop here. If you want rewarding and challenging in a nice way, then keep listening. Next, we're going to record our audio. You've got the script now, so the next part is simple. Read it out. Add some tonality and enthusiasm and your own style and record it using a video editor or your phone, whatever's best for you. If the sound of your own voice is like nails on a chalkboard, then you can A, pay someone to read the script, B, use some text-to-speech software such as Speechello. You need to buy it and it isn't perfect, but I haven't yet found a free one that doesn't sound awful. C, just use music and subtitles. Free music can be found at the YouTube audio library. Now we're going to download someone else's videos. Now some people will tell you to find other Creative Commons videos and download them and re-upload them, and that can work, but you need to be really careful that first of all, the person you download from is the original creator and they haven't just done the exact same thing you're doing. Secondly, you need to edit them up a little and don't just use them exactly how you found them. Put your own creative touches to it. Next, you check the Creative Commons license. There are different types and some require permission or won't allow commercial use. Now, I'm not saying don't do this, I'm saying apply caution. Here's what I prefer to do. I use stock footage sites that let you use their videos. Some are free, some are paid, and in all honesty, you'll have loads more options using paid ones, but I get it, some of you don't have a money tree in the backyard and you're watching this to make money, not spend it. So on the screen now are some of the best free and paid services for stock footage. So now I want you to go and download the videos that fit your script and save them to your PC. You'll need an editor to join them together. We're now going to create our video. And just like the Avengers, it's now time to assemble. You're going to put the audio and video together using some editing software. Personally, I use Filmora. It's pretty comprehensive and easy to use, and it's not a bad price. If you want free, then I've heard really good things about DaVinci Resolve. Drop the videos into the timeline, add your audio, and if you want to go the extra mile, then you can include transitions and text overlays and all the fancy stuff. If you've never created a video before, I don't want you getting stuck here though. You can improve this as you go. Now you're going to publish your video. Yes, you did it, my friend. You're ready to hit publish, sit back, and wait for the money to roll in. Oh, shoot. There's something I forgot to tell you. Damn it, my memory is awful. So the reality is that you now need to repeat this process many times. Each time you do, I want you to focus on tiny improvements. Now that could be your script, your audio, your video, your research, and over time, and it could be 3 months, a year, 2 years, those improvements will compound and you will be a happy little YouTuber that makes money. Now before you go, as the video is about how to make money on YouTube, I should probably explain that part too. So the 2 biggest ways to make money are A, advertising revenue, B, affiliate marketing. How advertising revenue works is that once your channel's reached 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours watch time, then you can apply for AdSense and the right to run ads on your channel and earn passive income whilst you sleep. Just like all the cliches, right? I'm a small channel and I make a few $100s every month, but this can potentially be thousands. Affiliate marketing, on the other hand, is something you can do from day one. To make money with affiliate marketing, you need to find products that align with your channel that you can promote. If someone clicks on your unique affiliate link and buys them, then you earn a commission. It's a really effective way of building an online income, and if you want to know all about affiliate marketing, I've detailed everything that you need to know in the video on the screen now and in the description. Enjoy.